Ashe greetings, grand rising, a grand day, and peace and goodwill to you all. Once again, my fellow natural native earthly humans. Yes, you, the earth organic humans, and soulful humans, you, my fellow humans, with souls. Yes, you, the world over. Yes, you don't know. I am yours truly, I, the Mystic Philosopher. And many thanks for stopping by this channel and giving up your time to listen to another perspective. Yes, with yours truly, I, the Mystic P. Now, this one is called IAtlas. Time come. Yes, time come. I call it part 3 because I did 2 other parts. Come to think of it, yes, I did 2 other parts, spontaneously 2 other parts. So, no, I call this part 3. And it is designed to give you, my listeners, some more reasons. For those of you who have watched those 2 parts before, give you some more reasons as to why I am so excited and hopeful about this thing, this intergalactic and interstellar comet that some are calling 3-I-Atlas. Now, from the Mystic Philosopher's perspective, anything or anyone from anywhere in the known or in the unknown universe, or universes, I might add, that makes my enemies and my foes, and by extension, the enemies and foes of my fellow natural native earthly humans, the enemies and foes of our beloved Mother Earth and all her natural inhabitants, all her atmosphere, her hemisphere, her waters and her minerals and lands and other constituents, etc. I might add. Anything or anyone that makes and causes them meaning my enemies and foes, to be fearful, to be baffled, to be intellectually and otherwise subdued and confused, makes yours truly, I, the Mystic Philosopher, hopeful. It makes yours truly, I, the Mystic P, filled with ecstasy and joy. It gives me great pleasure. And who are my enemies and my foes? And by extension, who are the enemies and foes of my fellow natural native earthly humans? Who are the enemies and foes of our Mother Earth and all her natural inhabitants, her atmosphere, her hemisphere, her land, her water, and her minerals, and other natural constituents, etc.? Some of you, my listeners, no doubt might be asking. And the answer to that question is this: they are my oppressors, and by extension, they are the oppressors of my people. They are the oppressors of my fellow natural native earthly humans. Namely, they are the imperialists. They are the selfish, greedy, and inhumane capitalists. They are all those that are infected with the disease called the God complex and the God wannabe, and thus they are the ones that want to own and control everything and everyone. They are the wicked globalists. They are the colonizers and colonialists. Yes, they are the genciders. You know what I mean? They are the wicked. They are the destructive humankind, kind of human creatures and unalivers among us. They are the heartless, conscienceless, soulless, rotten, ruthless, reckless, invasive human-like creatures among us. They are some of the so-called scientists, not all. They are some of the so-called scientists. Yes, they are the lying and wicked religionists. Yes, you mean those people who tell people that they're hearing from, and you know what I'm talking about, those wicked religionists, practitioners of the religions. They are the wicked biologists and technologists that are the creators, that are the promoters, that are the perpetrators of all forms of poisonous and infectious, you know what, and all other forms of weapons of mass destruction. Yes, they are. They are the anti-natural native earthly humans They are the unnatural ones, the evil ones, the devils. They are the weather manipulators, yes. For those of you who are in the know, you see what they do to my beautiful island, Jamaica, but it's alright. Yes, they are the weather manipulators. Yes, they are the mind controllers. Another word for mind control, you don't know what it means. Govern mind. Yes, they are the warmongers and the true terrorists. Yes, they are the true terrorists. They are the human traffickers and human traders. You name it or you name them. They are all those that are the real bullies and the scornful scum of the earth. From the Mystic Philosopher's perspective, anything or anyone that makes and causes them to be fearful, baffled, nervous, and confused makes yours truly, the Mystic P, hopeful that natural justice and true retributive justice is coming if it is not already at hand. It makes yours truly feel ecstatic. Experience ecstasy and joy. And to the best of yours truly, the Mystic P current knowledge, this is exactly what this thing, they don't know what it is. So let's say this thing that they named and are calling IAtlas is doing to them. They are being psychologically terrorized with their own guilt. With their own guilt. For as I have said before and must reiterate here, that from I know myself, and to the very best of my current knowledge, nothing known or unknown in the universe has ever caused all of my aforementioned enemies and enemies of my people to be fearful, to be that extremely terrified as this, the intergalactic traveler. And hopefully, this our soon to be earthly visitor who are to come here, that they, in their ignorance and gross ignorance, I might add, are calling IAtlas because they don't know what it is. And they can't know, and they will never know. I will have much more to say and much more perspective to share on this topic, but I will keep this short for now. So please stay tuned. In the meantime and between time, I will, what do I want? I will that you and that all that you that are in the know, those of you that are in the know, I will that you please join yours truly, the Mystic P, in both channeling and welcoming our intergalactic visitor, who might well turn out to be some of our ancient ancestors that are coming to administer justice and the wicked. Yes, this that they are calling, these our enemies are now calling and naming IAtlas. Let us welcome and channel and welcome it or them here. You know why? But I am the Mystic Philosopher. Ashe! 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 I say.